we
Okay.
love to visit there, and then they have a good food also.
Oh,
So
great.
they have, I don't know, I think you don't eat pork, right?
Yeah, we don't here.
Yeah, that's good. So no need to mention that one. So since we already discussed food and animals, so what are the beautiful places in India if other people were going to visit there?
What about the food you eat in Philippines?
Mhm. In the Philippines, we do have, we call that one is adobo. Adobo.
Adobo. Okay.
So adobo
ADO,
is
BO. Yeah.
one of the famous Filipino dish,
Okay.
and the meat we use is chicken and pork,
Okay.
and then we put like soy sauce, laurel leaves,
Okay.
onions, and garlic, and then sometimes we put uh, chili if we want spicy, but if
Okay.
you want sweet, we put pineapple.
Oh, great. Is it a
And
main
I forgot
dish?
to go. Yes,
I mean, is it a snack or a main dish? A snack?
yeah, that's no. We eat that one together with rice.
Okay. I get it now.
It's really delicious if you're going to eat that one with together with rice.
Okay.
And also, we do have a soup.
Soup?
Soup. We call this one like sinigang.
Sinigang?
Sinigang. So
Sinigang. Okay.
we have two kinds of like main ingredients that we use. You can use pork
Okay.
or shrimp.
Okay, shrimp. I get
So
it.
we use pork or shrimp, and then most of the ingredients are the same, like eggplant, string beans, radish,
Okay.
and then we put something that it can be a little bit sour.
Oh,
The
okay.
soup is a little bit sour, so that's how we prepare the sinigang.
Okay. I hope it's very delicious.
Yes, it's really good because like other foreign people when they visit here, they try most of our delicacy or the food that we eat.
Oh,
And
okay.
also, actually, we do have Indians here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Indian people stay here in the Philippines, but they have business. Like for example, appliances like electric fan, TV. So they're going to sell that one to the Filipino people and they put it at credit. So for
Okay.
example, if they're going to give me a TV and then I'm going to pay that one, for example, for 2 months or 3 months. So I need to give
Okay.
them a cash equity.
I get it
So
now.
they have a business here.
Okay.
Okay, now,
Yeah.
so can you tell me about India, more about India? What are the places that we can visit in India?
Where is it? Okay. The most famous and the place is Taj Mahal. Have you heard about it?
I haven't heard that one.
Taj Mahal.
Okay, let me try to search this.
It's really very beautiful. Actually, it's a tomb of a queen.
Oh, it's a palace, like Aladdin.
No, no, it's a tomb. A tomb. TOMB.
A town. No, have you tried to watch like a Disney anime Aladdin,
Yeah, I did.
where the princess lives? It looks
Yeah.
like this one.
Yeah, of course. Actually, it's made by an Arabic king. Arabic. Actually,
Arabic.
he's an Indian king,
Mhm.
but he originates from Arabia.
Oh,
Arabia. His name is
but mhm.
his name is Shah Jahan, and his wife's name is Mumtaz Mahal. Mumtaz.
So those are the people who built that Taj Mahal.
Yeah, so the king built it in her memory. After she passed away.
Oh, so the name of the building was named by the king before he died.
Yes.
Hmm, that's nice. Wow, you're good in history.
Yeah, thank you.
So, how about like nature? Do you have a good place where we can relax?
Yeah, there are very famous places like River Ganges. We call it here Ganga.
River Ganges. Oh, I'm not try to search this.
Yeah. There are a lot of wildlife sanctuaries in India. Wildlife sanctuaries.
Oh,
Sanctuaries. I don't know about many of them, but I'm sure that there are many places, like the waterfalls over here, and there's Ladakh.
water. Oh,
Ladakh is a part of actually it's part of Nepal, I think. Ladakh, but most of we Indians go there on bike, as a road trip.
these pipes.
Yeah, as a road trip. I mean a motorbike.
Oh, I remember this place.
Do you?
The tree. You just take here.
Sorry.
The movie, the three idiots,
Okay.
they took a scene in this part of what you call this one, Ladakh.
Yeah, Ladakh.
Yeah, they have like they shoot one of the films here. Oh, that's
Oh,
nice. I like the color of the water. It's blue.
yeah,
Really nice. Wow. So it means in India, you have also a beautiful scenery. So
yeah.
I can
A
see
lot.
one based on the picture that based on the place that you mentioned, and I tried to search that one on the picture. It's really nice. I really like it.
Okay.
So here in the Philippines, we do have also many kinds of tourist spots. So
Okay.
like Palawan.
Palawan.
Since in the Philippines, we do have Palawan, 7,100 islands.
Islands. Okay.
And we have a lot. And in each island, we have a beautiful places.
Okay.
So we do have like Boracay, and then Cebu. Cebu Island is one of the famous islands for tourist people. They
Okay.
have to visit there, and then they have a good food also.
Oh,
And
great.
they have, I don't know, I think you don't eat pork, right?
Yeah, we don't here.
Yeah, that's it. So no need to mention that one because they have a delicacy of pork. It's a whole one, and then they put it on a box, and then they're
Okay.
going to cook that one under the charcoal.
Okay.
So we call that one lechon in the Philippines.
So it's kind of a barbecue.
It's different from barbecue.
Okay.
This one is a little bit bigger.
Okay.
It's
Okay. I get
going
it.
to cook the whole pan.
Hmm.
And also we do have like other food that we need, like sweets.
Hmm.
I don't know how to explain this one. Like it's a sticky rice, and then we put sugar, and then like coconut milk, and
Okay.
then this is great. And then we do have other stuff like
What is it
also
called?
sticky rice.
What is it called? The name.
The name is this is the Filipino word. I don't know what's on English. It's called that one
The Philippines.
sumakat.
Sumakati.
It's Philippines.
Okay. Sumalatik.
Yes, and it's a sticky rice with sugar
Okay.
and then coconut milk.
Okay.
And most of the foreigners they try to taste that food, and then they like it.
Oh, great. Do you know tandoori chicken? Tandoori.
Can you tell the one?
Yeah. Tandoori. It's a chicken.
Tandoori. Let me search the
It's
one.
it's a chicken dish.
Oh, tandoori.
Yeah, the whole chicken is burnt on the coal.
Did you prepare this one in India or in the Philippines?
It's an Indian dish.
It's an Indian dish. Yeah, it's like a whole chicken.
Yeah, the whole chicken we eat here.
Is it spicy?
Yeah, it's spicy. Lot spicy. Actually, we Indians mostly eat the spicy food. You know. We Indians mostly eat the spicy food.
Oh, Indian. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Before I thought, South Korean or Korean people, they also eat spicy food together with India. So, if Korean people visit in your country, they really love your spicy foods because they love spicy.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice. I can see that here, based on the picture that I saw, most of the chicken are really red. It means it's really spicy.
Yeah, it's spicy.
So aside from chicken dish, what are other foods that you prepare spicy?
We eat mutton. Do you know mutton? It's actually goat.
No?
The goat and the sheep.
A goat. Oh,
Yeah.
mutton. Okay. Wow, it looks delicious.
Actually, we Indians
It's
eat
also
eat, eat a lot. We Indians eat a lot. Like a lot of food, lot
Indians
varieties.
love goat.
No, actually, not only goat. Like we eat all the. I mean, we have a lot of food. You know, a lot of food varieties, types, the kinds in it.
So Indians really love to eat
Food.
different kinds of foods. Wow, that's amazing, Paul. So anyway, Paul, I love to talk with you, but it's almost time. So let's have a
Yeah.
recap, okay? So today we discussed about cultures,
Yeah,
your
cultures.
culture and my culture, and you're doing good. So Paul, I can see that you're good in English. You can pronounce it well, but we need to practice more when it comes to pronunciation. Okay, so be careful with that one.
Okay.
And also your accent. I know you used to it, that you have an Indian accent, but I want
Yes.
you to practice more, like even a neutral accent in English. That
Okay.
will be fine, okay?
Okay.
So that would be nice, Paul. So Paul, do you have any questions before we end our class?
No, no question so far.
Okay. So Paul, thank you so much for your time, and hope to see you again in my class.
Thank you.
Have a
Bye bye.
wonderful day and goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you.